Welcome back to our channel, and today we are at SeaWorld. And why are we at SeaWorld today?
Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras. We moved here from Mississippi where they celebrate Mardi Gras, and the only place around here that we can find Mardi Gras is at the theme parks like Universal or SeaWorld. Since we have SeaWorld passes this year, we are going to a Mardi Gras parade at SeaWorld.
Disney cheaps out on Mardi Gras.
Yeah, Disney's too good. Let's see it.
Okay.
What's that around your neck, Lizzie?
Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras beads, huh? With the mask? What are the Mardi Gras colors? Do you guys know?
Gold, purple, green.
Gold, purple, green. Pretty cool headdress you got there with feathers.
Hey.
Tanner's doing the goth Mardi Gras.
I didn't get all the colors because all of them like messed up and all that. You need to put a block on your face. Yeah.
Anyway, come join us. Let's go have some fun. We made it into SeaWorld, and we are going to Mardi Gras de Lamba. That means since we're doing a Louisiana holiday, Daddy's got to talk with his bad Louisiana accent. Yeah, T, we're going to go down over there on the street. We're going to go catch us some beads.
You want to go to the fishy game? Hey, say cheese, quick.
Fishy game.
He's going dancing again. Show him the Mardi Gras Mambo.
Oh, let me see you dance. We're going to have to play the Mardi Gras Mambo. They went on down to the Audible Zoo where they all have to use. They all have to use. Hey, you're going the wrong way, T. What you doing?
I'm a puppy.
Huh?
I'm a puppy.
A puppy?
Riff Raff, I'm puppy.
Hey, don't get lost in them woods. They're gonna call the police on you.
Colton.
That would have been a cute picture. Baby wrangling. Come on, you wanna go see the Mardi Gras? You're gonna love it. We're going to Antarctica where the home of the Mardi Gras is.
Here, Tanner, get to me. You guys walk with, I'll walk behind. Stop.
Today on Bennett's World, we're going to bring you to the bottom of the world. SeaWorld's Antarctica. Where the ice remains when it's 90 degrees. Where it always looks cold, but it never really is. SeaWorld's Antarctica.
Antarctica.
I'm gonna die from freeze.
That is Antarctica. For
A little longer than a few minutes later.
how does Antarctica mean Mardi Gras? How does that go any with close?
I don't.
Definitely do not have sunscreen to have this so hot outside. I definitely don't.
I don't see nothing Mardi Gras in here. So where is it at? We'll find it, honey.
Colton!
You want to go in there, buddy?
Yeah.
Let's go look. Come on. We'll find that employee.
And that's the dolphin.
What is that?
That's a killer whale. It looks called whales.
Is that a whale?
It's a dolphin.
A dolphin? Okay.
No, that's not a dolphin.
Whatever you want it to be.
It's so pretty too. This is a dolphin, Colt. That's a killer whale.
That's a whale. A regular whale. A nice try. Oh, you finally got one smiling. Oh, look.
Elizabeth.
Bubba's
There's
coming.
Elizabeth.
But of course you don't have mine.
Elizabeth and Colton. Awesome.
Look at Daddy.
Whoa, what is that?
A big one.
It is a big one. Oh, you gonna ride it? They're gonna make you pay for it if you
No,
get it
get
dirty.
up, Colton. Don't put it on the ground. Okay, get up, please.
Pick it up. Here.
All right, come on. Well, as you can see, Atlantis, or the journey to Atlantis, is under construction for improvements. That's the only bad thing about wintertime. That's when they fix all their stuff. But this one needed fixing because it was breaking constantly. Right, Carter?
Yep.
So hurry back to us, Journey of Atlantis. You always lead us to the Kraken.
cracking.
Could be right. What do you think, Colty? We're getting close to Mardi Gras. Are you ready to go see what's happening?
Yeah, it's happening in Elmo.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go to Elmo too. So we were promising Colt that after we go to Mardi Gras, that we're gonna go see Sesame Street, right? You ready to go see Elmo? Lizzie's already in the stroller.
What's your pin?
Come on, let's see.
Oh, do you identify as a dog now?
I'm trying to bring back fun memories that we used to have.
Yeah, right?
So you made us move to Florida.
I'm okay. Hey, we can move back to our land in Mississippi, and instead of going to theme parks, we'll just plant gardens.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Yeah, until you actually got to do something. We're moving off the grid.
Yeah.
Well, we finally made it from the Mardi Gras area.
I said no.
And now we have, what is this?
It's their bourbon something po' boy.
Bourbon something po' boy,
Gumbo,
gumbo,
beignet,
beignets,
and a hurricane.
and a hurricane. I'm from Louisiana and I don't recognize these, but if you're from somewhere else, this is a beignet, this is a po' boy, and that's gumbo. As close as you're gonna get in Florida.
Sorry.
We were just complimenting Tanner on how clean he is when he eats. What's that on? Oh wait, that's your food. You okay? You choking to death on that sugar?
Powdered Mom, are you gonna eat this
Carter's
one?
working overtime on the gumbo. He got powder
are
on
you
his
gonna eat
face
it?
too.
Tomato paste is what.
Hey, do you want to try this beignet?
Yum, yum. The beignet's probably the best thing in here.
Yes, it is.
Colty, what you doing, buddy? Did you go on a bear hunt?
Why'd you get a napkin? That was sugar.
You want more?
Sugars. Don't you dare.
Is that good?
Told
You don't
you
like
the
it?
beignet was good. Told you. Also, my new poppet when I got out of SeaWorld.
Has you got a whale tail poppet? If you want to get Lizzie in a good mood, just buy her a poppet.
Yeah. Or any fidget.
Oh, it's cough and powder.
Well, thank you guys for watching another vlog with us. Lizzie, show everybody what you got. And we want to say Happy Mardi Gras 2022 from SeaWorld. Show them what it does. Oh, how cool is that? Pretty cool, huh? Well, if you want more fun like this, come back and see us.
Bye.
Let's see you dance.